Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I will show you how to chat with friends on Roblox. I know most people don't know they can actually chat with friends on Roblox, or even if you know but you don't know how to do that. So first thing, you have two ways on how to do that. So the first way is, first of all, you open up your Roblox app just like this, and once it's loaded, I'll be showing you the first step. So you know your friends always show around this area right here. So I think this is the only friend I have on Roblox. So all you need to do for the first step, you just have to click on their profile just like this, and you can see chat right here. So you can just chat them directly immediately. And the second way is when you are on your own page just like this, you see below your screen you can see party. Once you click on party, here is where you chat with your friends and make a community as well. So all you need to do is you need to turn this on. So you go to more right here and scroll down to settings. Once you're on settings, you click on privacy and content restrictions. So wait for that to load up. So once it's load up, you can now click on communications. So on communication, you can see experience chat and party. So you click on party. So you click on connections. Once you click on connections, you can now go back. So it's on already. So from there, you can now chat with a lot of friends on your party. You can start a party and select friends you want to pick from, and the list is 5 people. You understand? If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.